Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7 and welcome back to another exciting review. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you an amazing product. That product is sent by a brand that's name is OTE. They sent me this product all the way from their company and I really like their products. I will attach a link in my description box. You can check the description box and you can check their website, and I will also add my discount code so you can use that code and get a discount. So I got this amazing blender in this package. The packaging is so beautiful. I am already in love with this packaging. Here are some details about the model. It's already like sealed, so I'm just opening the seal, then I will show you the product. The packaging is so different and so beautiful. As you can see, I have not seen any other packaging like from other blenders. I have not seen this kind of packaging before. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon so you can get notification for my video. Okay, so I already unboxed it, and here we have the beautiful blender. The size is very perfect for making your smoothies, your small like stuff to blend, purees, sauces and other stuff that you want to blend. So I got this small package. We got two rubber that we can use, like these are replacements one, so if we like got something wrong with the other one, so you can use these ones. I also got product manual. You can read all the details and all the instructions about this product in the user manual. So you can see it's very beautifully packed. I'm just unwrapping this beautiful thing, and after that I will show you this product. So here we got this product. Is so amazing. The make of this product is OTE, and they made this blender very beautifully. I already love with this quality, and also this blender jar is also very good quality. It is made of glass, and the capacity of this blender jar is 400 ml. You can make your smoothies or drinks or beverages up to 400 ml. Here we have the sharp blades. You can see all the quality and everything in the video, and I will show you guys in the video how to use this product and how to make your yummy drinks in this blender. Okay, let's put this aside now and look at this amazing bottom part of this blender. So here we have the power button. It just has only one option, so you can use that option. There are no speeds, but it works amazingly and very beautifully. And the bottom of this product is also very beautiful. I'm just in love because the product is so sleek, so wonderful and absolutely flawless. And here we have the cord for this product. It has like attached cord, so you can see the cord. The quality of the cord is very good, and it's packed very nicely. Alright, so now it's time to make some yummy beverage in this OTE blender. I already washed this jar, like glass jar, and I already dried it out, and after that I am going to put my ingredients in this jar. So I choose some strawberries, like fresh strawberries, and I'm gonna put this in this jar, and after that I'm gonna add some milk. As you can see on the blender jar, I just added the strawberries up to 200 ml mark, and after that I'm going to add some milk in it. I'm using full cream milk to make my milkshake more thicker and more yummy and richer in the flavor. So I added the milk up to 350 ml, like between 300 ml and 400 ml. I added the milk and strawberries till that area, and after that just close the lid. And now it's time to use this and make my yummy milkshake. So this OTE blender is all set to press the power button. I just pressed the power button like only one time and it's already blended everything so nicely and so well. I'm gonna show you guys how it's working inside. Milk and strawberries are already blended together and they are moving like in a smooth liquid inside the blender jar, and it's already done, but I'm just trying it out how it's working. It's very smoothly working and very nicely working. Alright, so my strawberry milkshake in this OTE blender is all ready and all set to drink. I'm gonna show you the consistency and smoothness of this milkshake. You can also blend your frozen fruits, your frozen cherries, berries and all kind of stuff. So see the smoothness and blendness of this milkshake. I really love this because it just did it work in few seconds. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.